When E03 appears during startup, open the machine latch. Open the inner machine shell. Remove the screws that fix the motherboard. Check if the plug is properly inserted or damaged. Check or replace the spark plugs. Remove the ignition plug rubber boot. Rotate counterclockwise using special tools. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the spark plug for replacement. Put it in and then tighten the spark plug. Insert the rubber sleeve properly and connect the plug. Fix the motherboard. Just install the shell.